Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Strong sell-off, in line with expectations, but now we need to see if it can actually hold above the B wave low, which is down there at 45.8 cents. Yeah, this is the breakout point to the downside. Eventually, we are expecting another low here. Basically a low below that level and also below the August low. So the overall expectation here is and has been that this is an Elliott wave triangle in which 3 waves have been completed. In yesterday's update, we were watching for a potential drop in a D wave lower. Yeah, this is happening right now. One of our signals for that was the break of the trend line already on Sunday. And now we are coming down, which is good to see. It's in line with the script here. It could be that there's another wave 4 bounce, maybe that's happening already, and then a wave 5 in wave C of D, and then we get another lower high, okay? And then this could complete the overall triangle finally, and then we break down. This is the current assumption, that we are going to see another low on this chart anyway, but obviously we highlighted that we need to be a little bit patient because of this long sideways action, this corrective structure in which XRP is moving. Everybody on this channel should have been prepared for a potential drop, but nothing major has happened because in the end we are still moving in the range. Okay, so the green and the red lines, 45.8 cents and 55.8 cents, they are defining this range. And as long as the price isn't breaking out, nothing major is happening. We have to give it some room, we have to give it some space. And the idea was that a C wave completed here last week. That was here this small news rally that we had on Friday, the 29th of September. And that from there we started here an ABC structure to the downside. The C wave is a 5-wave move. And it seems like, wave 3 might be finished. Then we get this 4 and 5. That completes the larger C wave. That completes the D wave of the triangle, which is the second to last wave. And then we could get another lower high. Because we are expecting another low anyway, it can of course be that it breaks down more directly. Okay, so this is possible that it breaks down more directly. If that's the case, then it would be a somewhat unusual triangle structure. I would then have to assume that the wave D already finished here and the E wave topped already on the 4th of October. Okay, which is possible because the E wave, this spike, is below this high. So that's something to keep in mind. It's a valid count. It just doesn't look very good, looking at the proportions. But if we break through to the downside more directly, that's what it is. That's what it is. So essentially, it's going according to script. If the price breaks very fast now below 45.8 cents, then we're going down more directly and faster than, well, not necessarily than anticipated, but it would break the triangle a little earlier. Yeah, it would break the triangle a little earlier. A break to the upside is, of course, also possible, but I remain focused on this white wave count, which has been the primary count for many weeks now, until the price gives me a signal that something else is going on. And I only get that signal if the price breaks above the green line, which is a breakout point to the upside. It would be an invalidation point of the triangle, and that level is at 55.8 cents. Only a move above that level would make me look at something more bullish, and that is here invalidation of the triangle, because a break above the A wave high of a triangle acts as invalidation. We would then have to assume that the yellow wave count is playing out, in which the price has a good chance to reach the 63 cent level, this X wave high, which was made on the 14th of August. So nothing really unusual here at the moment. You see that all these breakdowns here, most recently, they have been quite aggressive, but they have always been in 3 waves. This one as well, okay, and it recovered. So I would expect something similar from here as well, but a recovery in a corrective fashion as we had it here. So this could be then this E wave to the upside, but you can see the red candles, they're very strong. That indicates, I think, that there is a lot of emphasis on trend continuation to the downside. That's why we can expect that, but I don't expect it in a very straight line. Well, you never know. It would be in line with our base case, but looking at the ideal structures, a lower high in an E wave seems likely. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.